Hello, time to discover new areas. Today I went towards Gili Selang area, and I wanted to visit some places which I never been. I've been just passing by, but never been coming down to the beach. That's how it looks here. This is a places which always been a fisherman villages. There is no any impact of tourism in this particular area. Only fishing. The last hotels is on what is a Japanese wreck beach, all the way up to the Golden Rock. That's it. There are some of the guest houses around here, but not so many. So mostly these guys living only from the fishing and some farming. So that's how they kind of mix. Some families do fishing, some families do farming. Then they exchange the fish to veggies, chicken. All the fishermen also have some goats and calves and also chicken. What I like about this part of the island is really scenic. All these high walls, I mean the cliffs, and the shoreline is pretty steep. And this is actually the place where I'm usually coming out when we do the Golden Rock dive site. So then we're coming out approximately here. The boat is picking us up here. It's a good idea also to try from the shore. Definitely we can get out somewhere, but it would be a really big challenge for our driver, because depending on the current we're coming out in one place or in another one, and if we go more far then you don't know where we are. And for us it's getting out for us it's like getting out with a heavy equipment and then getting out on the road and looking for the driver and the car. So that's why it's definitely more comfortable from the boat, because any drift you cannot prognose. So how far you will drift. Sometimes it's like you're swimming and there's no current at all. And sometimes it's 15 minutes and the dive site is done. That's it. Beautiful place. Many of them here. This is one of the roads which follows the coastline and goes all the way to Amlapura. Sometimes people think, oh okay, I will go this coastline road. Nice. So you have to understand that the normal road, which goes from Amed to Amlapura, you will spend approximately 20, maybe 30 minutes in the way to Amlapura. I mean, if you will drive this way, so it's gonna take more than an hour, definitely. So it's up and down, really narrow, beautiful because it's following the coastline, but definitely not the fastest one. Today is the last day of the lockdown. All the locals already diving, and that's the difference, what we have to accept. If the locals diving, it's okay, because they always can say, okay, give me money and I will not dive. I mean, they can say it to the government. While if we do something wrong, we got immediately deported. no questions at all. There's no complaints at all. But yeah, it's like sometimes it's like a little bit everybody's diving and I have to sit and wait for something. But okay, no, nothing to worry. Only today. Tomorrow we will start diving again. So far, no any announcements about the new lockdowns, and I mean, and fingers crossed that no one of them coming up. Definitely, we don't need anything. Definitely, we don't need any surprises, and we'll see how this thing is going. Site on this side, another dive site on the other side. Looks like they are building a new lighthouse for Gili Selang.